A cup of coffee is a daily ritual for many that inspires focus and creativity. For some, it is more than a beverage. It's a source of comfort and motivation. One sip can turn the ordinary into extraordinary. And what if I told you there was a built-in appliance that could change the way that you see coffee? An appliance that'll allow you to bypass the cafe line and will always get your name and order right. Give you your beverage at just the right temperature and strength, just the way you like it. Well, let me introduce you to the Miele built-in coffee machine. In today's video, we will be covering everything you need to know about the Miele coffee machine, including what exactly is a Miele built-in coffee machine and what makes it so special. Next, we'll cover the key features to ensure that you understand everything this unit is capable of. Then we'll talk about the very important subject on how to clean the machine with maintenance and upkeep. And to wrap us up, we'll go over the benefits of ownership and why so many designers, builders, architects, and clients alike love Miele. What is a Miele built-in coffee machine? It is a premium appliance designed to deliver high-quality barista-level coffee in the comfort of your own home. It features sleek integration, which is going to save precious counter space. It's going to fit seamlessly into modern kitchen cabinetry and elevate the value and aesthetic appeal of your space. And if you're looking for color for your built-in Miele coffee machine, Miele has a handful of options like clean touch stainless steel, graphite gray, obsidian black, and matte black. Also, importantly, you have to decipher if you're going to be able to have a water connection behind or near the unit, as there is a plumbed option and a non-plumbed as well. The plumbed models connect directly to a water supply, ensuring continuous operation without manual refills. This is going to be perfect for heavy coffee drinkers or larger households. This is going to eliminate the need for manual refilling. It's going to offer a true set it and forget it convenience feature. And then there's the non-plumbed option, which will feature a refillable water tank, offering flexibility for various kitchen setups. It's ideal for spaces without a waterline connection, but it'll provide greater flexibility for placement and is easier to relocate if needed. Aside from aesthetics and a water connection, ask yourself, how do I want to control my coffee machine? Well, there's two user interfaces, one being the M-Touch, which is on the left. This features a high-resolution touch display, similar to a smartphone that navigates using a tap and swipe gesture. It's sleek, modern, and it features a clear text and graphics. While on the right, you have the direct sensor, and it features a simple control panel with a touch-sensitive button display, and the display happens to be a little smaller. It's slightly less advanced, but still highly efficient for basic operations. Next, let's touch on the key features. The customizable settings is one of the most important draws to the Miele coffee system. With Coffee Select, it's an exclusive and patented feature that offers 3 separate and well-sealed bean containers. This is ideal for people who have their own specific coffee that they like to use. The machine uses a ceramic conical grinder, and it's very effective since you can easily adjust the coarseness with a small lever. You'll be able to adjust that grind size too to match your preferred coffee strength. Each bean has a different ideal temperature, so you'll be able to modify the brewing temperature for perfect extraction, and you can adjust the portion sizing for each drink, so you can control the ratio of how much milk and water you'd like to use. Once you've crafted your perfect drink, don't forget to save it under your personalized user profile, and it's great for multiple users. This is going to ensure that every cup suits individual tastes, and you can save up to 10 personalized profiles. What's better than brewing 1 cup of coffee when you can do 2? With Miele's One Touch for 2 feature, you can conveniently brew 2 beverages at once with a single touch. Great for couples or entertaining guests. If you stop by our showrooms, we'll gladly brew you a cup. Every coffee machine features their patented Easy Click milk system. This system features a high-quality dishwasher-safe container which holds 0.7 liters and is made of glass, which can be inserted at or removed from the front of the machine at any time, without the need for having to open the appliance itself. So whether it's almond, oat, soy, whole milk, the fill level is always visible, so there's no guesswork. You can also take it to and from the fridge for added convenience. Who doesn't love the smell of fresh coffee? If you do, enjoy Miele's aromatic System Fresh technology. Every time a drink is dispensed, only the required amount of beans is ground, ensuring fresh grinding every time in the sealed system for every cup, ensuring that maximum flavor and aroma. Our last feature is one of the most eye-catching, and it has to be the cup sensor. The cup sensor recognizes the height of the cup and alters the position of the central spout accordingly. This is particularly great to watch, especially for espresso when it gets as close as 1.5 inches, which is ideal for that drink. This also avoids splattering, and this is going to ensure the foam in your milk drinks comes out perfect. Miele has truly thought of everything. We receive many questions about the maintenance, cleaning, and general upkeep of the Miele coffee machine, and this is what we'll be covering next. To open the machine, it simply swings open, and when it comes to the day-to-day maintenance, it's very minimal, and it focuses primarily on basic cleaning, like emptying out the drip tray and the waste container that hold those old coffee grounds for the day. It simply slides out all together. The unit also features a quick rinse program that runs in under 10 seconds to clean the internal pipes and nozzles clean once you're done. This is the brew unit. It is the beating heart of the machine, and it should be cleaned each and every week. If you use your coffee machine regularly, cleaning of this ensures a consistent, high-quality coffee, hygiene, and performance. Once you open the machine, there's a red tab on the yellow handle behind the water reservoir to the right there. Pull out the water reservoir, and you'll gain access to this brew unit. You push the red tab, and then you turn the yellow handle, and it slides right out. Simply take it to the sink, and under running water, give it a good rinse. No soap or cleaning agents are required here. After that, you can simply put it back in, wet and all. This is recommended once a week, like I said, especially if you're a heavy user. Miele makes the cleaning process easy and comes loaded with functions, and here's a few. We have auto clean. Thanks to this feature, your coffee machine is almost maintenance free. This program completely cleans the milk pipework and degreases the brew unit. There's a cleaning cartridge inside the appliance that takes care of this. It's also important to not use oily or flavored beans, as it can be harmful and affect the machine. Flavor your beverages after, not before. As with any appliance that uses water, we also have to talk about water hardness and descaling. The Miele built-in coffee system features an auto descale function where the machine automatically removes limescale buildup, prolonging the machine's life and ensuring consistent performance. There's a solution that pumps through all the pipework through the system, and this cleans the appliance daily with a mild solution. You can set the frequency individually if you like, but depending on how frequently you use the machine, you'll need to get more descaling tablets, which Miele provides, and to manually descale the unit at about 18 to 24 months. The great part about this is that the machine will prompt you when things need to be done every step of the way. Next, we have to talk about cleaning the milk pipework. Although the milk pipework is rinsed and cleaned automatically, there is some manual upkeep. Things like detaching the components like the milk pipe, the flask when prompted is a very simple and easy thing to do. Miele also utilizes a special milk pipe cleaning tablet or solution every 1 to 2 weeks, and that's going to make sure everything gets clean. The cleaning agent helps dissolve things like the fat and the protein deposits, ensuring the milk pipework remains perfectly clean and odor-free. And Miele sells this and all the replacement cleaning solutions for your entire machine whenever you need it. Lastly, let's talk about the benefits of owning a Miele coffee machine. And it has to be the customizable experience. Every cup is tailored to your liking, whether you need a latte, an espresso, hot water for tea, frothed milk. You can also save user profiles that allow every family member to save their preferences for a truly personalized experience. The machine adds luxury and value. It's going to enhance your kitchen's functionality and aesthetic appeal, not to mention that if you host or entertain, guests will be able to enjoy a variety of beverages. You're going to get superior coffee quality, and you're going to be delivered barista-level quality drinks consistently with their advanced brewing technology. Those freshly ground beans and precise brewing ensure the best aroma and flavor around. And of course, it's all backed by Miele's durability and craftsmanship. It's engineered and developed by Miele engineers who use only the best technologies with precision and high quality materials so you can enjoy your beverages each and every day.